Hey, I'm Stan. I have a Stinger Can-Am. This is my story.
Our story.
My wife and I have been planning this vacation for a long time now. We want to ride our Can-Am across Florida. To do so and get the best time, we hauled the Can-Am with our Stinger. We stayed in some nice motels, really busy down there, so sometimes we left our Stinger attached to our car or standing up next to some clear spot while we drove our Can-Am in town. My favorite part is loading and unloading.
I can't believe how easy it is. I even did it myself a couple times.
Yes, my apprentice.
Hey,
Next year, Texas.
California, baby.
This is my Stinger story.
Our story.
Hey, tell us your story.